Caring for a baby with a cough and chest congestion can be a challenging experience for parents. There are some gentle home remedies that may help to alleviate symptoms and provide comfort to your little one. Create a steamy environment in the bathroom by running a hot shower. Sit with your baby in the steamy room for about 10 to 15 minutes. The moist air can help to loosen mucus and ease congestion. Place a small pillow under the head of the crib mattress to slightly elevate it. This can help to reduce postnasal drip and ease congestion. Hydration is one of the most important cold home remedy for toddler and newborn baby. Breastfeeding is the first solution to treat cold and cough in babies. It also builds up their immunity to fight against germs, bacteria and viruses. Chicken soup can also help a child to remain hydrated and encourage them to keep eating when they do not feel well. It is the best cure for chest congestion and is one of the most reliable home remedies for cold in babies. Honey can help to soothe the throat and alleviate coughing. For babies older than 1 year, you can mix a teaspoon of honey in warm water. Ginger has natural anti-inflammatory properties. If your baby is over 1 year old, you can offer a mild ginger tea. Boil a small piece of ginger in water and strain it. Let it cool before giving a teaspoon to your baby. You must ensure your baby gets enough rest to aid in the healing process. Create a comfortable and calm sleep environment. Humidifier. Create a calming environment for your baby to rest. Vicks humidifier can provide temporary relief by adding necessary moisture to the air. It also provides calming scent with vapor pads and essential oils. And this humidifier illuminates the room with the night light. Saline drops or spray help to moisten the nasal passages of your baby. Saline spray and drops by Little Remedies can relieve runny, dry and crusty noses. It flushes and removes mucus from little noses. It helps your little ones to breathe easy. And it is non-medicated relief that safely soothes and moisturizes your baby nose. If your baby's symptoms persist or worsen, then consult a pediatrician. They can provide a proper diagnosis and recommend appropriate treatment.